So last week we were talking about 2018 to 2019 Hot Yale Club mock paper 2. Okay, so we stopped at question number 8. So today we are going to start with question number 9. Okay, so this one is about selling price, cost price, and percentage profit. Okay, so if the selling price of 6 peers is equal to the cost of 9 peers。好嗱，呢度咧，今次咧佢俾你嘅講法咧係有啲特別嘅，即係佢唔係直接話俾你聽個 cost price 係幾多啊，或者selling price 係幾多咁樣。咁我哋咧都唔使驚佢喎，我係直譯嘅啫。咩叫直譯啊 ？Selling price of 6 peers 嗱，而家大家都係講緊嗰啲厘啊 peers 啊。selling price 我而家咧當 S 咧就係1個厘嘅 selling price，OK？、6個厘嘅 selling price 咪6S 咯。selling price of 6 peers is equal to 即係等於啦 the cost of 9 peers。我哋 let 個 C 咧，大家 C 就係1個厘嘅 cost price，OK？、好啦，咁而家9 peers 就係9個厘，即係9C 啦。cost of 9 peers. So can you see that I just translated the first sentence into a mathematical equation? The selling price of 6 peers, 6S, is equal to the cost of 9 peers, 9C. OK? 好啦，咁有呢一個之後點算咧？佢就話啦 ，percentage profit of selling 1 peer， 1個厘我哋會賺幾多咧？How to calculate the percentage profit? Percentage profit is equal to the profit over cost times 100%. But how to find the profit? Profit is selling price minus the cost price divided by cost price times 100%. Okay? So in our question, that should be equal to S minus C over C times 100%. Okay? But if we just keep the letter S and letter C, they cannot be calculated. We need this preparation. 6S is equal to 9C, which means that S should be equal to 9C over 6. Okay? Or if you just calculate the number 9 over 6, it should be 1.5C. Can you get this? So S can be changed to 1.5C. So now, going back to the main question, I'm going to find the percentage profit. So it is now S minus C over C times 100%. Then it is changed, the S is changed to 1.5C and then minus C over C and then times 100%. It's okay? I just use my preparation that S is equal to 1.5C, okay, to be substituted into this equation. And then 1.5C and minus C are like terms, so they can be calculated. It should be 0.5C and then over C times 100%. So finally, the C and C will be cancelled. 0.5 times 100%. That should be 50%. That is the percentage profit. Okay? So the answer is option C. Can you get this? 得嗱，唔好即係怕咧叻嘢，即係佢冇一啲實質嘅嘢俾你嘅時候咧，你有陣時就要叻㗎。咩叫冇實質嘅嘢咧？嗱，佢淨係俾咗一個關係你，喂6個厘嘅 selling price 就等於9個厘嘅 cost price， 即係嗰個 price 呢樣嘢咧，佢冇實質俾到任何數字嚟嘅。咁嘅時候咧，你就要叻嘢啦，得唔得 ？OK， 咁啊唔好怕叻嘢。Okay, next one. 好啦，又係啲 ratio 嘅嘢喎，睇住呢個啦。Number 10. So let A, B, and C be non-zero numbers. If 4A is equal to 3B, and B to C is equal to 5 to 6, and the question asks you to find A plus B to B plus C ratio。嗱呢題咧少少麻煩嘅，咁我哋要幾樣嘢啊？你見到咧第一條式係4A 等於3B，淨係關 A 同埋 B 事嘅。第二條式 B 比 C 等於5比6，淨係關 B 同 C 事嘅。但係我哋而家要求嘅係 A、B、C 夾埋，即係要撈埋一齊嘅。OK， 嗱咁咧呢度咧先，我哋咁樣做啦。嗱，我俾一個好正統嘅方法嚟做先啊，你學學先。4A is equal to 3B， 我哋要自己做一個 free term ratio 出嚟啊 ，free term ratio。但係咧，我哋要做一個 free term ratio 之前，我哋要做兩個 two term ratio 先，即係咁。So A over B is equal to 3 over 4, right? Just divide the B to the left hand side and then divide the 4 to the right hand side, which means that the ratio of A to B is equal to 3 to 4. Can you get this? Okay. So let me paste it here. 好啦 ，A 比 B 係3比4，但係我哋仲有 B 比 C 係5比6喎，係嘛 ？OK， 而家變咗呢個啦。B 比 C 5比6，我哋咁樣做啊，睇先。2、3、4。Okay, so A to B is equal to 3 to 4. Okay, and then we have B to C is equal to 5 to 6. Can you get this? And then 好啦，咁跟住我哋會點做咧？我哋點樣可以做到一個 free term ratio 出嚟咧？我哋就要將佢哋 common 嘅嗰一棟 ，OK， 即係大家兩行都有嘅嗰棟咧，即係大家即係 B 啦，係嘛？就要倍大佢變成相同嘅數字。咁即係點啊？咁即係我要第一行乘大5倍，第二行乘大4倍啦。OK， 即係咁咯。咁但係左手邊咧唔使喐嘅，呢個咧我乘大數字乘嘅啫，乘大5倍係嘛？即係我要令到呢一個咧，呢個4要變成20，咁但係呢個3咧就要同樣地乘大5倍，即係變成15啦。好啦，咁下邊要乘大4倍，即係20啦。咁同樣地呢個6咧要乘大4倍，即係24啦。OK， 好啦，咁嘅時候咧，我哋就可以將佢合埋一齊喎。A to B to C is equal to 15 to 20 to 24. Okay, so we have got a three-term ratio now. Three-term ratio. 好啦，咁跟住咧，我哋做咗 ratio 之後咧，我哋就可以用個 K method 啦。Okay, so let A be 15K, B be 20K, C be 24K. Okay, and then the question asks you to find the ratio of A plus B to B plus C. So that should be equal to A plus B over B plus C, right? 好啦，咁即係嗱，你即係希望你明白，即係點解要用 K method？ 點解用 K method 咧？就係因為我哋就咁計 A 加 B over B 加 C，A 同 B 佢哋代表咗啲咩咧？我哋係唔知嘅，即係佢哋唔係 like terms 嚟嘅，我哋冇得做嘅，冇得加埋佢。B 加 C 係冇得加埋佢嘅，但係佢哋有一個共同嘅英文字母去代表嘅時候咧，咁嘅時候咧就可以變成 like terms 啦。即係咧 A 就變成 15K，B 就變成 20K， 下邊個 B 亦都係 20K 啦 ，C 就變成 24K。Can you see that when I use the K method, so all the terms become like terms, okay? So they can be calculated, which is equal to 35K divided by 44K, okay? And then when you cancel out the common factor K, the final answer will be just 35 over 44. When it is expressed in the ratio format, it is 35 to 44. So the answer is option C. 有冇同學有問題啊？呢個 K method 跟唔跟到？嗱呢度咧有幾樣嘢喎， 我想你打粒星落呢條題目嗰度。其實咧，所有關於 ratio 嘅題目咧嘅技巧咧，都應該喺呢條題目裏邊咧出現晒㗎啦。OK， 打粒星落去。OK， 第一樣嘢就係如果佢俾你嘅係即係唔係一個 ratio， 唔係一個 ratio 啊，係一條 equation， 你點樣將佢變成一個 ratio 先 ？OK， 得唔得？就係將佢變成分數。好啦，第二樣嘢就係我哋點樣由兩個 two-term ratios 將佢好似倍大咁樣，通分母咁樣，將佢咧變成一個 three-term ratio。OK， 呢個第二個技巧得唔得？第三個技巧就係個 K method 啦。OK， 嗱 K method 嘅作用咧就係去到呢一度嘅啫，得啦，就係令到佢哋嗰啲 A、B、C 咧本身唔係 like terms 嚟嘅，即係加唔埋一齊計唔到嘅。但係用咗 K method 之後咧，我哋就可以將佢全部嘢變成 like terms，就可以計到落去啦。OK， 咁呢個 K method 係幾時用咧？就係當你嗰啲英文字母有晒比例嘅數字嘅時候，咁嘅時候咧，你就可以用個 K method 去 let 佢做幾多 K、幾多 K 同埋幾多 K 咁啦，得唔得 ？OK， 咁呢題就係咁啦。嗱呢題咧，我想俾多一個方法嚟，俾多一個方法嚟啊。OK，咁望落咧會係快啲嘅，咁但係咧，我覺得計算嘅時候咧，你會係可能會錯嘅機會係大啲嘅。OK，我會將 A 同埋 C 都 in terms of B。OK，express A in terms of B and express C in terms of B. So starting from this equation, so A is equal to 3B over 4, right? Okay, and then I keep this. This is method 2. And then starting from the ratio, and change this to fraction. And I want, so just multiply the denominators to the opposite side. I want to express C in terms of B. So C is equal to 6B over 5. Can you get this? 好啦，嗱，點解我將 A 同埋 C 都 in terms of B 咧？其實都係諗緊我呢一個灰色呢一個諗法，就係要將佢哋全部都係 in terms of 同一個英文字母嘅話咧，我哋就可以將所有 terms 變成 like terms， 可以相加相減啦。好啦，咁而家佢要去揾嘅嘢就係A plus 咩話 B to B plus C， 咁都係咧計算嘅時候，我將佢變翻做分數先。臨尾先要變翻做比例嘅。So now A will be changed to 3B over 4. So it's 3B over 4 plus B. And then B plus C. And C will be changed to 6B over 5. Okay? So now the upper part is actually a like term, a pair of like terms. 咁呢度咧3/4個 B 再加一個 B， 咁你可以其實你可以將佢撳機啦，係嘛 ？OK， 應該係1.75個 B 嚟嘅。好啦，跟住咧分母就係1個 B 再加6/5個 B， 咁應該咧就係2.2個 B 嚟嘅。OK， 好啦，咁然之後咧你就個 B 同 B 約走咗啦，1.75 over 2.2啦。然之後咧撳一撳機，將佢變翻個分數，咁應該咧睇下先，應該都會係35 over 44嘅，冇錯啦。OK， 咁即係個 ratio 咧就係 35，that's right，35 to 44。So this is method 2。聽唔聽到？呢邊係 method 1。Okay, and then this side will be method 2. Can you get this? Next one. Number 11.好，係呢隻咯 ，variation 啊，咁又係最麻煩嗰隻啦，即係 percentage change 嗰隻啦。 OK，咁但係咧麻煩啫，但係都識做噶嘛。OK，即係最緊要就係識做，你可以做到啊嘛，唔好怕麻煩。OK，so we will let z varies directly as the cube of x and inversely as y。咁即係我哋有 direct 有 inverse，即係有分子有分母啦。OK，z is the subject and it is equal to a fraction。So we don't forget to let a k here。OK， 嗱，千祈唔好忘記咗有 k 喺度喎，得唔得？一定有 k 喺度嘅。OK，directly as the cube of k， 咩叫 cube of cube of x， that is x cube。k times x cube, and then inversely as y, okay, over y. Can you get this? 好啦，咁跟住咧，我哋就會當呢一個咧係個 old z， is equal to kx cube over y。跟住咧有啲嘢轉變喎 ，x 係 increased by 20%， so new x is equal to x times 1 plus 20%, okay? And that is equal to 1.2x. And then new y is decreased by 10%, so it's y times 1 minus 10%. That should be 0.9y. And then after having new x and new y, we can calculate our new z. New z is by putting the new x and new y into our formula of z. So it should be k times the x cube becomes 1.2x and then bracket cube. The new y, okay, the y becomes the new y, then 0.9. Can you get this? And it is equal to, so just do the calculation on the numbers. So it should be k times 1.728x cubed over 0.9y. Where's the y? Y here. OK， 好啦，跟住咧，我哋會將個數字係咪啦？將啲數字咧 split 開佢 1.728 over 0.9 and then times this kx cubed over y. But what is kx cubed over y? It is just the old z. Okay, just the old z. And then 1.728 divided by 0.9 should be equal to 呢度幾多嚟㗎？睇先啦，1.92係啦 ，1.92 and then times the old z. Okay, can you get this? New z is equal to 1.92 times old z. And now I want to find percentage change in z. Percentage change in z is equal to the new z minus old z divided by old z times 100%. But my new z is equal to 1.92 times old z and then minus old z divided by old z times 100%. So we have 1.92 times old z minus 1 old z, which means that it should be 0.92 times old z over old z times 100%. And then the old z and old z will be cancelled. So it should be 0.92 times 100%. And finally, it should be 92%. Okay, it is a positive 92%, which means that it is an increase by 92%. So the answer is option D. Can you get this? 得唔得？嗱，每次都咁做嘅，佢耐唔耐就即係 DSE 耐唔耐就會即係出一次呢一種題目㗎啦。咁啊睇你好冇彩嘅啫，但係即係我覺得係好彩先至會見到啲題目嘅。會花時間，但係一定做到嘅。OK， 一定冇變化嘅，一定係咁樣做嘅，得唔得 ？OK，number 12。嗱、這個、呢個咧我都教過你哋㗎啦，其實咁就 記住唔好呢種咁嘅題目咧，唔好用任何嘅公式啊去做，一定係逐個揾出嚟啊，逐個揾出嚟。好啦，嗱，我哋開個 table 出嚟先啊。好啦，我哋有 A1。A2、A3、A4、A5、A6。OK， 好啦 ，A 我哋知道啲咩咧 ？A2 is equal to 5，and then A6 is equal to 34，and I want to find A3。It's okay. I want to find A3。好啦，嗱，呢題咧有少少難度嘅。難度係在於咧，佢有好多，即係陣間我哋會處理到咧比較多嘅未知數嘅。OK， 要一次過處理嘅，得唔得？咁但係咧，慢慢嚟啊，睇住我哋逐個嚟，因為咧佢俾咗條式你 a n plus 2 is equal to a n plus 1 plus a n。OK， 咁無論係 n 係幾多都好咧，我哋都適用於呢條式嘅。咁即係咩意思咧 ？When n is equal to 1, then we have a3 is equal to a2 plus a1. Can you get this? Which means that a3 is equal to 5 plus a1. 5 plus a1. OK， 好啦，但係 a1 我哋未知係啲咩嚟嘅，所以咧我哋就未可以計到住，咁我哋就 keep 住喺度先啊。When n is equal to 1, we have no conclusion. OK， and then when n is equal to 2，逐個代嘅啫。A4 is equal to A3 plus A2, right? But we know that A2 is 5, so A4 is equal to A3 plus 5。但係都係咧有兩個未知數係咪？都係未可以計到住嘅。咁所以咧，我哋又 keep 住喺度先啦。And then when n is 3, we have A5 is equal to A4 plus A3。咁呢個仲衰，三個都唔知係嘛？三個都唔知，但係我哋都可能要嘅，我哋 keep 住喺度先，陣間先睇下要唔要。And then when n is equal to 4, we have A6 is equal to A5 plus A4. Okay? A6 is equal to A5 plus A4, but we know that A6 is equal to 34. So we have A5 plus A4 is equal to 34. OK? 好，呢度又 keep 住佢先啦。好啦，但係咧，其實咧，我哋要用嘅咧，都已經即係我哋有嘅資料咧，都已經用晒啦。OK， 咁我哋可以點樣揾呢一樣嘢咧？咁睇睇咯喎。嗱，如果我哋咧淨係望呢一個啊，睇下先。我哋而家係想揾 A3 嘅，係啦，冇錯，我想 A3 嘅。我淨係咧睇一睇呢度。This, this, and this. Okay, we are going to substitute the equation 3 into equation 4。雖然冇寫邊條 equation 3啊，咁但係即係第一條就係1啦，第二 n 就2就係 equation 2咁樣啦。Okay, so we are going to substitute equation 3 into equation 4. Okay, the A5 will be changed to A4 plus A3. So A4 plus A3 plus another A4 is 34. So 2A4 plus A3 is equal to 34. Can you get this? So let me call this equation 5. Okay. And then from equation 2, we know that A4 is equal to A3 plus 5, right? And then, so we need to substitute equation 2 into equation 5。咁我哋將呢個 A4 咧等於 A3 加5咧，塞埋落嚟呢度，咁成條式咧，成條式咪變咗做淨係得翻 A3 呢一個未知數咯，係嘛 ？OK， so 2 times A3 plus 5 plus A3 is equal to 34. Okay, so we have 2A3 plus 10 plus A3 is equal to 34. So 3A3 is equal to 24, which means that A3 should be equal to 8. Okay, and that is our answer. 有啲難度，今次呢題有啲難度，得唔得？嗱，逢親呢一隻啊，呢一隻會比較難啲嘅。之前嗰啲咧係咩嚟嘅咧？即係同一個 topic 嘅題目係啲咩嚟嘅？問啲咩嘅咧？就係數點點嗰啲。OK， 數點點嗰啲咧，我覺得咧就係超容易做嘅。OK， 得唔得？咁但係呢一隻嘅話咧，如果係有啲咩 A 幾等於即係俾條 relation 你嘅，然之後你要自己可能砌下先砌翻出嚟嘅。咁就嗱呢一題咧，如果我話要諗一個技巧，即係如果見到呢種題目就用咩技巧嘅話咧，我就會話第一，你係咪都列晒出嚟先 ？n 等於1嘅時候，條式係點樣樣？有邊啲 term 有資料嘅，有數字嘅就塞入去。OK， 塞到冇嘢好塞，冇嘢好做嘅時候就停低，下一個。OK， 下一個咁樣樣。第二就係你而家要揾嘅係 A3 係咪？我哋而家你見到咧 A5 咧，即係喺第三條式呢度咧 ，A5 做 subject 就係 in terms of A4 同埋 A3。然之後呢一條式咧，第二條式咧 A4 做 subject 係 in terms of A3 嘅。我哋就要盡量令到其他唔係 A3 嘅嘢都要佢做 subject in terms of A3， 即係將佢 refer 翻係點樣由 A3 計出嚟呢一個諗法。咁嘅時候咧，我哋就將所有一啲，譬如頭先咧，係咪最終咧嗱？其實如果你睇翻嘅話咧，我最終係成條數咧係嚟自呢一條式嘅 equation 4開始嘅。呢個 equation 4咧係冇任何 A3 喺條式裏邊嘅，但係我做咗啲咩咧？就係將所有 A5 同埋 A4 咧都係盡量 in terms of A3 嘅。OK， 咁所以我先將個 A5 拆成 A4 加 A3 先啦，然之後個 A4 就會變成 A3 加3咁樣樣 ，sorry A3 加5咁樣樣。OK， 咁加埋落去。咁就會全部咧都係得翻 A3 咁樣樣，咁所以咧就可以計到 A3 啦，得唔得 ？Okay, next inequality, compound inequality. X plus 3 is less than 5 minus x over 2. So the right hand side is just one single fraction, so I just multiply the 2 to the left hand side. Okay, and then expand the bracket, less than 5 minus x, and then move all the x terms to one side, okay, where x is positive. So it's 2x plus x is less than 5 minus 6. Okay, 3x is less than -1, x is less than -1 over 3. Okay, so that is the first inequality. And then for second one, 8 plus 3x is larger than -1. And then 3x is larger than -1 minus 8, which is -9. Finally, x is larger than -3. Okay, and they are connected by the word or. Okay, or 即係咩意思啊？記唔記得 ？or 嘅話咧，就係我哋用條 number line 畫咗出嚟先啊。咁而家咧，一個係負1/3，一個係負3，邊一個喺左手邊咧？邊個細啲咧？就係負3啦。Okay, so this should be -3. And then the larger number is -1 over 3, so -1 over 3. Okay, and then we draw a stem standing on this one first. And a circle, hollow circle, and then pointing to the left. Okay, and shade. Shade the shadow. X 細過負1/3就係呢一個啦。And then how about the other one? X is larger than -3. Stem, circle, hollow circle, okay? And then arrow pointing to the right this time. And then shade.好啦，如果係我話嘅，好啦 ，shade 完之後咧，我話嘅話咧，係揾邊笪地方做答案咧？嗱，記得我話嘅話咧，就係有 shadow 嘅地方就係答案啦。OK， 無論佢 shadow 咗1次或者 shadow 咗2次，都會係納入答案嗰部分嘅。OK， 咁即係呢度嚟講咧，係咪所有嘢、所有部分，即係3部分咧，都係答案嗰部分啊？咁如果所有部分都係嘅話咧，我哋會答咩啊？就係呢一個啦 ，all real numbers。OK。如果 and 嘅話咧，如果 and 嘅話係點樣？係揾個 overlapping region，咁就會係-3 less than x less than -1/3。但係而家 or 嘅話咧，就係有陰影嘅地方就係答案啦。咁所以咧，全部都有嘅話咧，我哋就會答 all real numbers 咁樣。OK。好，又係呢一個啦，呢隻14題。The length and width of rectangular paper are measured as 25 cm, 20 cm, correct to nearest cm respectively. The paper is cut into n squares of each side 2 cm. 好嗱，呢一題咧，就咁樣，睇下先。死啦！我擔心我唔夠時間講啦呢題，因為都比較長啲嘅。咁我可能我留翻下次先講啦呢度。OK， 14題我留翻下次先講啊。OK， 因為好似已經夠時間啦。Okay, so do you have any problems here? If you have no more problems, then I will see you after the holiday. Okay, so if you have problems, you may stay behind to ask, but if you have no more problems, that will be the end of this lesson and you may leave now. Goodbye.